how to turn on or turn off caller ID and spam protection on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings, phone app. Now I click on keyboard. So after click on keyboard, click on this three dot icon and click on settings. Now in call settings, you will see caller ID and spam protection is here. So click on caller ID and spam protection. So if you want to turn on caller ID and spam protection, so turn on this button. So after turn on this button, you will see caller ID and spam protection is turned on. So if you want to turn off caller ID and spam protection, so turn off this button. So after turn off this button, you will see caller ID and spam protection is turned off. So you will turn on or turn off caller ID and spam from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can turn on or turn off caller ID and spam protection on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.